What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel today. So today I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I think the Honda S2000 is the perfect car for the minimalist. Now, I know you're probably saying, if you're a real minimalist, minimalism and owning a sports car don't go together. But I believe there's a special population of you out there that are going to get value from this video and realize that you too can be a minimalist and have a Honda S2000. Now, the first thing I want to start with is obviously these body lines. Like, look at this. This timeless rake, this sloping nose, these beautiful wheels, this low side rocker. It's fantastic. Now, my favorite view of the Honda S2000, and you guys can see this on my Instagram, medicmagic_, because somebody else had Medic Magic, is the front of this car. It looks like a snake's head. It looks like a pit viper, a rattlesnake, something crazy. Now, I really was wondering if somebody had put a wide body kit on this thing, but just look at the front. The grill is non-existent in the front. These smooth lines. Don't mind these bugs, these are aftermarket bugs. But just the smooth sloping nose that goes right into the front bumper. There's no crazy arrow on it stock. There's no crazy hood scoop. It's just simplicity. Now the same goes with the rear side of the car. These sloping, swooping lines are just gorgeous. Everything looks so beautiful. It's so simple. Now I think the most obvious illustration of how minimalistic and how simple this car actually is the interior. The front dash is completely empty. It's just a dash, that's it. There's even a cover on the radio so that when you're not using the radio, you can put it away so you don't have to look at it, and you can keep the sleek shine of the dash without having to be interrupted by those flashing lights and twisty knobs. Now on this side of the interior, it's the same thing, but it comes down to this steering wheel. The steering wheel is fantastic. The only thing on it is a cruise control switch. There's no radio switches, there's no Bluetooth, there's no OnStar, there's no call, there's no nothing. It's simple, it's beautiful, it's art. So once you get over all the exterior and interior pieces that make it a very minimalistic car, it would please somebody who lives by the minimalistic standards. Like a lot of you probably watching this, and half that probably aren't watching this. Something I can't show you right now in this video and you would have to feel and experience for yourself is the drive. The shifter is so buttery smooth, the throws are so short, there's a satisfying clunk, notch, whatever you're gonna call it, whenever you shift from first to second.
Hit her in second, see what you'll do. Easy.
Third to fourth to fifth to sixth, even in the reverse, it is just blissful. Now obviously with Honda's reputation of reliable motors, the maintenance would be very minimalistic if you kept this beautiful car stock and keeping it at its barest elements. Now for all of you guys out there that love the simplicity and the minimalism of the S2000 on the outside, but you have a different feeling in your heart, that's where this bad boy comes into play. Now I know what you're saying. If you're really a minimalist, would you need a fully built, fully forged internal, iron sleeved block by Inline Pro just to be able to throw a 58mm precision turbo and 15 pounds of boost at it? That's for you to decide. Oh, on a side note, which this is how we always do this, Russell Medic Magic After Hours while the credits are rolling. Ben's truck coming along nicely. Update on the Harley. The Harley is on its way out. We have a buyer. Ben is taking the wrap off because the buyer does not want the wrap. And there's that. So if you wanted it and you missed out, I'm sorry, it's gone. Shop is all cleaned up. We are getting ready for the maiden voyage in the truck, and that's gonna be pretty cool. So seriously guys, let me know what you thought of this video. More minimalist stuff going on? I'm trying it out. Giving it a little bit of a tryout, so. Alright, for real this time. Peace.